Hey y'all, it's Kay here, and I'm coming at you today from outside. Just got off work, came to clear my mind and get some steps in, because your girl gotta lose some weight, y'all. But I wanted to come on here and give you guys a word of the day. And my word of the day is steps. Quite ironic, huh? Taking life one step at a time. I can't speak for you all, but I can speak for myself when I say I'm always in a hurry. I'm always in a rush to get to the next thing I have to do, to get to my next phase of life. Just worried and anxious about what my next step is. But how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. How do you get through life? One step at a time. And being consistent and disciplined in the goals you have set for yourself. You keep your head down, and one day you'll look up and be exactly where you said you wanted to be. My dad used to tell me when I was younger, quit worrying about whatever grade I was going to. You in the 6th grade. Be in the 6th grade. Enjoy it. And what he meant by that was, once I left it, that time I spent there, I was never going to get back. So you might as well make the most of whatever moment that you're in. Whether you've just graduated college, don't know exactly what your next move is, maybe struggling to build your business or get a job, whether you're a parent worrying about your kids, what your next house is going to look like, what your next plan is going to look like to provide a good life for them. Or if you have parents getting older, family members getting older, you need to provide some space for them. Don't know how you're going to do it. Taking one step at a time, which applies to all aspects of life. But here on this channel, I focus on getting people into the homes of their dreams and becoming homeowners that want to be. So if you find yourself scrolling, wanting to buy a house, don't know where to start, scared to apply or talk to anybody because you feel like your credit may not be where it needs to be, or you don't have up enough money to start your process, look in my description below. I got 2 links. One is to schedule a free 15-minute consultation with me so we can talk and see if we're a fit. Okay? As I like to say on my channel, you interview me as I'm interviewing you. And see if we're a good fit and you'd like to work with me. Get your situation and start working. If you see me now, you like what you hear, and you think you'd like to work together, the other link down below will be to my home buyers roadmap, where I'll talk with you, get your wants, get your needs, maybe learn some of your weaknesses and your strengths, and build you a personalized plan to make your first purchase your best purchase, if you know what I mean. So, as I said, word of the day is steps. You take life one step at a time, and you don't be afraid to take that first step towards your goals. If your goal is home ownership, check out that description below. My name is Kay, giving you the keys to home ownership. And as I like to say, when you know better, you buy smarter. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one.